Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be walking you through how to install this butterfly locks. It is so beautiful, so we decided to do this. We are staying outside for today's video because it was very hot inside and we needed some natural breeze. So I start by sectioning out my client's hair. After sectioning it, I'm going to braid it. The things that I'm using today are my rat tail / pigtail comb and jam, because I feel like jam makes it more neater, and especially for natural hair. So at this point, I'm done sectioning out the hair. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I did the first installment. Keeping in mind that my client's hair was long, at this point, it was longer than the actual crochet hair. So I decided to fold the hair. But I did let her know so that when she's taking it down, she's very mindful of that. I'm going to slow down in the next clip to show you guys how I did this. Yes, as you can see, I struggled a little in pulling out the hair because some of the butterfly locks were very stiff. So getting the hair through, especially since I folded it into two, was kind of hard. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. So what I did was put the crochet hook through the hair, pulled it out, twisted it over the hair, and that's pretty much it. So the length is cut into two, and then you go ahead and pull the butterfly locks through. Just watch it and see what I mean. So I'm going to show you guys the wrapping method. I initially really didn't want to do this method because the butterfly locks were already bulky on their own. So I didn't want to wrap it and make it more bulky or make it look weird. But this is an option for those that want to do the wrapping method, and just so the hair can last longer. So I did the same thing, folded the hair into two, then went ahead with my twisted kinky up hair. I wrapped, and when I was done, I just sprayed a little of the yellow got2b spray, and that was about it. I made sure that it wasn't stiff. For the front, I decided not to fold the hair into two, because I didn't want to keep struggling to pull the hair through the butterfly locks. So I decided to just fold the tips, which was much more easier because it made it way more better for me to pull her natural hair through the butterfly locks and hide it. So you guys can actually do this. So instead of folding it into two, you could just fold the tip. But I rather folding the hair into two, because that way when your client is taking down the hair, chances of cutting her natural hair is very slim when you fold the hair into two. That's if your client's hair is long. It's just safer. But I did let her know that I folded only the tips for the front. So yes, that's pretty much how I did. So this, you could say this is the third way to install it. But overall the hair came out really, really beautiful. It was really nice. I rather this method than wrapping. The wrapping is good as well, but with this one, it was very easy. It didn't really take that much time. I think in total we took about an hour and a half. That's with the whole braiding, sectioning out the hair, and the install. We have come to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed my first braiding video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let me know the type of videos you would like to see on this channel. Feel free to hit me up on my social media platforms. Thank you guys for always supporting me. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.